Hello everybody, my name is Juan Nova. I am an international student from Colombia, a beautiful country in South America. Why SAIT? Why Canada? That's one of the questions behind all of this. Since I was a child, my dream was always to come here to Canada and study. So I did my research among the available institutions here at Calgary. SAIT stands out as the place that I truly want to be at. SAIT gives you that hands-on experience that some institutions doesn't. Having that experience by doing it what really makes you learn what you want to study. Being an international student here at SAIT has been awesome. Here, I have met people from all over the world. In Colombia, we are really close to each other. So being quite far from my family was a difficulty. But here, at my new home, I feel comfortable with my friends and want to help me to scale and be a great student here at SAIT. Bienvenido a SAIT. Welcome to SAIT.